loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me silent along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. 'Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, 'cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like aftermath. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, stepping up, don't stop. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please give me a sign, a sign. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. So I shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't no place for this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the losing fits, I'm losing shit. I'm stupid, man, get used to it. Used to get the good, I'm finally losing it, but losing gift. No mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Ready? Go!
Hey yo, Trilly, punch me in. They see me in, I wanna go lose it, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She want a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop and then hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. You just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I run it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or write no love song. Yeah, write no love song, we all experience no loss. Yeah, niggas be acting, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Queen's a bitch, you know I ain't never gon' lose again, I'm running this shit. Like, hey, Jay, that's my name, little bro, nigga from down LA. About 6'1" with a low top fade, niggas knew that you was gon' get to that cake. Hey, bitch. bitch, say my name. Too dope, cool nigga, ain't shit changed. Bad that bitch, shorty screaming my name. And the phone sped off with a brand new chain. Nah, nigga, none of these fine. When a nigga pop out of designer, in the boot cooking up in behind it. If the bitch wanna fuck, gotta find her. Say you want smoke, but he lying. If he wanted that, he would come find us. Niggas know we ain't doing no hiding. When we pushing out here, come the sirens. 33 beds with some brand new trivia. Put that bitch in the drop.
はい、ということでね、大洗ハイパフォーマンスカーショー楽しんでまいりましたな。なんでこんな格好をしているかと言いますと、見てください、雨雲が迫っております。ということで、仙台組は一足先に帰りました。私もカッパを装備し、今から仙台に向かうところなんですけども、なんかもうパラついてきたんで、一応ここでカメラ撤収しておきますかね。
Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gon' lose again. I'm running this shit. She got some back and she carrying. Only keep for a week, I ain't marrying. If you shoot it at me, then I'm parrying. Hey, yo, nigga, you wicked, you jerry. Sippin' on you was a week tryna marry you. How the pussy ain't where you Aquarius. I be gone for a week, I get back, we can leave. Say it likely to blow is precarious. AP, bust, drip, water when I step at the house. Big ballin', put a dick in the mouth. TTG, my niggas hand shit out. You know she ain't my little secret. In the pussy, I'ma stretch a bitch out. Yeah, my phone probably scratching the house. My baby niggas know we bout. She want the money to powder.
はい、ということで撮影再開です。いやー、なんかポツポツ降られてね、カメラを出すにはちょっと不安な状況だったんですが、ここは常磐道の奈良派パーキングまで来てしまいました。いやもうすっかり夕方ですわ。夕方ってかもう夜かな、もう7時ですもんね。やっぱり1日600キロ辛いなちょいつらだな。新潟から兵庫に行った時はそんなに辛いって思わなかったんだけどな。やっぱり止まってなんかしてると疲れるんですね。はい、ということでね、前回今回と2回にわたりハイパフォーマンスカーショーの動画をご覧いただきましたが、なかなかねイベントでしか見れないような車とかトッピングなどなどお楽しみいただけたのではないかなと思います。今回はまあ去年ほど暑くはなかったけれども、まあ言うて暑かったっすね。最後ね、残念ながらちょっとこう雨が降ってきちゃったんで、皆さんこう早々に退散っていう感じではあったんですけども、昼から行っても十分に楽しめるイベントでした。今年も企画運営してくださったスタッフの皆様ありがとうございました。かなり楽しいイベントでした。また来年も開催していただけるようであればちょっと予定つけていきたいなと思っておりますので、ぜひ来年もよろしくお願いいたします。ということで、本日の動画はここまでにしましょう。ナナプラットフォンチャンネルでは毎週金曜日19時より新しい動画の方大好評配信中ですので、またチャンネル登録お済みでない方はぜひチャンネル登録をして来週の新しい動画楽しみにお待ちいただければと思います。高評価コメントをいただけますと私のモチベーションになりますので、そちらの方もぜひよろしくお願いいたします。それではまた来週次の新しい動画の方でお会いいたしましょう。じゃあねー。
Lights off, two red devil looking eyeballs, and I finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's